Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Maven on your machine. Uh, you can just search for Maven download. You will get the Maven download page. Once you go there, you can download the zip file. This will take some time. So this is the downloaded file. I copy this. Um, Actually, I have Maven installed in my machine. I'll delete it. So let's create a folder called Maven. Uh, Drop the zip file. Then you need to unzip it. So once you have that, double click it, copy the location. So right now we have Maven downloaded in your machine. Now we are going to configure the path variable so the Maven is recognized in your machine. So we have the location. I'm going to create a environment variable called m2 so this m2 this is the variable name and this is the variable value. So we created this variable. Now we need to add this variable uh, part of our path variable so Maven commands are recognized. Mm, you give this m2 variable and specify the location of the bin directory. So we are all set. We have configured Maven path variable. So now let's test it whether Maven commands are recognized. Let me try a simple Maven command, Maven version, and boom, it's working now. Thanks for watching my video. You can watch my other tutorials.